you know what? More and more customers are comfortable with this. We maybe aren't comfortable. We need to embrace these things and show them self-serve options to free up our time so we can go out and get into renewal reviews and spending a bit more time with clients. All right, so what are some trends that we are seeing that we need to all be in the loop on? I'm going to walk you through some things that I don't think we always put front and center because we're so focused on everything coming at us, solving problems, dealing with the world. So the first one that I like to remind everybody of is because we're in the hard market coming out of it, maybe somebody's watching this 10 years from now and is like, what's this hard market? Do your homework. You'll have a blast. But because people are paying more for their insurance, they expect more for their insurance. So for example, I am shooting this video and I got stuck in Nebraska due to some weather-related items flying home. Well, if I'm in a, Marriott versus a Ritz-Carlton, I have different expectations because there's different price points. So whether we like it or not, as people have had to pay more for insurance, their expectations are higher. The response times on phone calls, our proactivity, our need to connect, our ability to go through everything and stop and not just do transactions. You think about it, if you go to a McDonald's, you have one experience with a cheeseburger, but if you go to like a smash burger or Shake Shack, you have a different thought on cheeseburgers. And so we have to be in the zone that people are paying more, they are going to expect more, and we need to be prepared. The second biggest thing that I want to share with you as an emerging trend is we train our service team on transactions, on carriers, on technology. We fail to train them on how to connect, how to handle an upset customer, how to manage their workload, how to triage and prioritize. And it's normal and natural if you're a nurse to learn those things. You learn everything. But in insurance, it's so just do the transaction, do the work, that I find we have missed the mark, I think, greatly on things. So that is one of the things that I want to just make sure we focus on. The third biggest thing that I think is an emerging trend is the need to embrace technology. So I hear a lot of times, oh, my customers don't want to do that. My customers don't want to go there. The reality of the situation is that we need to focus on the fact that, you know what, more and more customers are comfortable with this. We maybe aren't comfortable. We need to embrace these things and show them self-serve options to free up our time so we can go out and get into renewal reviews and spending a bit more time with clients. But if a client didn't have to contact you for a certificate, they could get one, you have more time. If clients get an EFT, ACH, we have more time. If clients can go get a copy of their policy or ask a question very easily on their terms, we have more time. And I don't think we think enough about that need to level up time. So those are our strategies. Let us know if you have any questions.